Yeah, what's going on? So today we got Midwest Safety, another video by them. The title of it is called "Here's Why You Don't Punch a Cop." Number 2. We about to get to the action? Let me find out.
Punching a cop in the face is never the answer to your problems.
You're going in cuffs in 3 seconds, I promise you.
Put me in the cuffs. That's in my bag.
You gotta give him space, okay? Give him space.
Because he does this every single time.
What is your problem?
It's crazy.
I'm crazy?
Where am I gonna go?
9-9. It's
No, did you just hear him?
calm right now. Okay.
He's lying.
We need you to stay away from
He's
here.
lying.
What was going on in the first place? What's happening?
It's so dumb. How do you offer to pay for somebody to buy somebody something and then buy it for them and then get mad at them out of nowhere and then take it back and want to return it? If you didn't want to buy it first, you never should have bought it. You should have bought 2 pairs. Then I put 1 pair back. But then when he got mad because you're too fucking moron to get those pairs, then I just take these saying he doesn't treat the narcissist.
I know you're upset.
You order an ill-fitting suit to go on.
You can...
You mad because your suit don't fit?
Ever come back to you.
I don't give a fuck this shit ass wall.
Back up.
Go ahead. Okay, you're gonna go. You're not gonna act tough. You want to go in handcuffs? Yes. You're not gonna act tough, okay? So unless you want to go in handcuffs, stop it. You're gonna exit the mall now. Do you understand?
Officer eyebrows. Calm the down, okay? I'm calm.
Damn, did y'all see them glasses though? That's some thick ass glasses, boy. God, what the hell? Hold on now. She got too thick of glasses to be trying to act tough now. Come on now.
Stop it. You're gonna exit the mall now. Do you understand?
Officer eyebrows. Calm the down, okay? I'm calm.
Officer eyebrows.
He didn't do anything. It was my fault because he was pissed off because I just wanted this cross. Like he popping for me. And he's mad at me for no reason over a little argument. Like I just want him to feel me like, come on, please. Like I'm not mad at him, man. I'm not mad. I'm fine. You wanna Hey, you ever watch Steve Bird? He looks like Balloony. You ever see that? That's just really funny. He looks just like Balloony. Like that's crazy.
Bro, she trying to cut ass like she fire, son. Come on, son. The thick ass glasses. Get your ass off, boy.
So he's really gonna return him? It is legal.
Look, she can't even see.
I'm not going back in this mall. What am I gonna go back in the mall for? Oh. Well, I can't leave without him.
You can leave without him. You're a grown adult.
No, I'm not. I'm not. You guys, you can tase me, you can shoot me, whatever.
It's not nothing like
I don't care.
that. You need to figure out.
I don't care.
You need to figure out.
Well, I'm not leaving this mall without him.
If you made it this far in the video, I know that you're enjoying it. We're going to get right back to it in a second, but I just want you to do a couple of things. First things first, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, hit all. Then, if you're enjoying the content, make sure you check out our members-only content. You would click on join, check out our supporter package for $4.99, where you get badges, custom emojis, you're just showing your gratitude to the channel. Comment priority. You know I do not comment very often on videos, but I will reply to you. If you have any video suggestions, you can definitely let me know. We will get to it. And early access to all new videos. Now check out VIP. You get everything in the supporter package, but you also get member shoutouts, right? I will shout you out on the video, and members only exclusive videos. Now that I've explained all that, thank you so much for your support. Let's get back to the video.
Well, you're not leaving with us.
Joey! Oh, now you'll know me.
Come on.
Oh,
Come on. You're gonna leave the mall, okay?
Watch out, bro.
You are going to leave the mall.
bro.
You're going to leave the
Watch
mall,
out.
or you're going to go to jail. Do you want to pick?
I don't give a
You want to?
Neither one of y'all, Joey!
You're going to leave the mall, or you're going in cuffs in 3 seconds. I promise you.
Put me in the cuffs.
I will put you in the
Put me in
cuffs.
cuffs.
Okay.
Right now.
Are you serious right now? Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Serious? Don't move. You hear me? Don't move.
I don't give a I don't care. All right, thanks, bro. Thanks, Mom. I didn't know.
Stop moving.
I'm not moving, bro. If you're gonna shoot me, just shoot me then. Yeah. You got my glasses for me?
Hold on, let's run it back real quick. Let's run
You
it
got my
back.
glasses
Let's
for
run
me?
it back real quick.
Your jaw okay? Thank you.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yo, jaw, okay.
3 seconds, I promise you.
Put me in the cuffs.
I will put you in the
Put me in
cuffs. Okay.
Right now.
Are you serious?
That swing ain't even look like it was nothing.
Put your hands
huh?
behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Serious? Don't move. You hear me? Don't move.
I don't give a I don't care. All right, thanks, bro. Thanks, Mom. I didn't know.
Stop moving.
I'm not moving, bro. If you're gonna shoot me, just shoot me then. Yeah. You got my glasses for me? Yeah. Can you grab my glasses for me? Your jaw okay? Thank you.
Look, she can't even see. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, hell no. She can't even see, but look. She talking about get your glasses. What? You just punched me in my face. You talking about some glasses? And you lucky I'll leave them things right there. You hear me? You lucky them things don't get stepped on. You hear me?
Your jaw okay? Thank you.
Yeah, it's fine.
You're not okay now. You just I'll be all
And now you
right.
caught a felony. Good job.
All right. How long you think I'm gonna be in jail for, huh? A couple months?
Why did you do that? We have cars meet at Dillard's North as we were escorting this female out.
Thank you. Recall purposes, I'll be at 12:30 now. Has nothing like 3 to 99.
Go ahead.
Stop.
Is this male party involved that the deputies walked out?
He was involved in a verbal dispute with this female. I was escorting the female out. Deputies were with the male.
Okay. I'll be with the male then.
He's too busy dealing with you.
How about the you guys are handcuffing me? It only takes one of y'all.
Man, this new generation different, boy. I ain't gonna lie. This generation here, they go to jail for dumb stuff. Like, it's like, really? Really? You gonna go to jail for that? When you could have just left them all? Like, why? Why ruin your life? Like, you know how hard it is to come back from a felony in life in general? They ask you if you got a felony on everything. It don't just affect like jobs. You know what I'm saying? It affects, if you trying to get an apartment You know, simple things like that, like a place to live. Where you go lay your head at? You know what I'm saying? It's simple stuff like that. Like, it's just like, what are you gonna do after that? Like, these people don't understand, bro. And honestly, if I was a cop, bro, them glasses would have got stepped on, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you, dog. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Them glasses would have got stepped on, bro. You punch me in my shit? Okay. You got it. Yeah, we gonna wait until you go to sick call or whatever. You gonna have to get a new pair of glass. Yeah, you gonna be sitting in there for a minute, boy, with no glass. Yeah. Watch, all right. They think it's a game. Okay.
Come on, mail then. He's about to leave. Do we need anything from him?
Yeah, we'll keep him around for a minute.
Hi.
Okay, I'm up
What's up?
south and.
Well, she decided to punch me in the face, so.
Okay.
1283 radio. I'm out. North Dillard's.
You like your dog? All right, we'll use.
Don't look at me.
We'll use this
Look at you now. You can.
All right, I'm gonna need you to relax.
Relax.
Okay.
They haircut my bag to me.
Okay, I see that. I'm gonna put her in your car since she's here.
She's ready to fuck you up yourself.
Cut it or you want to have She's wild. She's pretty.
Don't cut my bag. No.
mean,
Okay,
she
then
just-
we need you to stand still then, okay?
I'm not gonna go anywhere.
All right.
You guys got her arms?
Yep.
Radio 1292.
I came down. She started getting lippy, so we were escorting her out of the mall. And then she decided to turn around and just cold cock me in the face, so.
Looks like right near Fairmount. Locally, it's on 1273. You have deputies.
We're almost done. Just relax, okay?
That's the Forerunner.
All right.
You guys read me my
We're gonna
rights.
have you sit down in this car over here, okay?
Okay, they have this.
People always say that about the right.
Come on now.
All right, have a seat.
Read me my rights. The thing that a lot of people fail to understand is that they don't read you your rights just to read you your rights. They read you your rights when they're about to question you about a crime or about something. If they're not going to question you about anything, they're not going to read you your rights. Okay? That's the biggest thing everybody always be saying. Oh, read me my rights. Read me my rights. Like, I've seen a couple of videos like that. You don't get read your rights unless they're about to question you about something. Man, know your rights. Like, know what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Like, damn.
Hit you.
Right there.
You just.
We'll take a photo of you.
Is your camera up in the front seat?
Yeah, it should be on the floorboard.
Hey, hang on.
I just need to know what happened up in the mall with the male and the female.
So I was.
She's under arrest for assaulting you.
Yeah, so I was up, or I was walking towards Dillard to pick this up from Jake. And I heard the commotion coming from down in the center court. Looked over the railing, and all three other off-duties working were already with the situation. It just looked like a verbal argument, maybe a little scuffle between her and the guy. I couldn't tell because I was kind of looking over the railing. So I wanted to go down just to make sure they were okay, so I could call it in, everything. They were escorting the guy out, so at that point I assumed it was verbal. I didn't really get the story at all because I kind of got there late. So as they were doing that, she started getting all lippy with mall security and everything. She was being loud, so you're going to leave the mall too. So we're walking her out. She keeps stopping, turning around. I'm like, you're going to turn around or you're going to go in handcuffs. You know, you have to leave the mall right now. So she starts walking, then she just swings around and just clocks me right in the chin.
Okay. All right. So obviously she's under arrest for that.
Yeah.
But I need to know because we got him.
Yeah, I don't know what it's all these deputies and stuff are with that situation.
Okay.
Standing right next to us. So there's male and female. They were arguing over some bag with shoes in it. Finally got her separated. Got him calmed down. He had really upset. She admitted that she started the argument.
Okay.
Yeah, he did.
And then,
Hey, Ben, I'm trying to determine if he's needed.
can you just drop her at the jail?
Yeah, we'll probably just put her in a holding cell in the meantime. And then, I mean, we'll see how cooperative she is. And then if we got to throw her in a holding cell, we will.
Can you go to back up? Ben?
She's in my car. I'm going to take her to the jail.
She needs.
What do you want me to do?
somebody's got to go back up Ben Bow because somebody's got to go take a traffic crash on the highway.
Yeah. I'll go with Bow, and then I'll be at the jail. Just get her info and get her set, and I'll be back there shortly. All right, I'll go to...
Search the female.
So anyway, so we're trying to escort her out. She's trying to turn around, walk the other way. So we're telling her, like, you need to leave. So he makes a decision. She says, go ahead and arrest me, whatever. She didn't want to. She's refusing to leave. So he makes a decision to turn around.
Oh, yeah.
She turns around, she clocks him right.
That was a great punch.
The male.
The female.
I want to know, is there a domestic violence dispute between the male and the female?
No.
Okay. They're not. So we have him held upstairs. We need to know, can we release that male? Okay. All right, so she assaulted him up there, so we just need to know if he needs anything, if they're boyfriend, girlfriend, if they're domestic partners or anything.
Boyfriend, girlfriend, they do not live together.
Gotcha. Okay, cool. Sounds like we got everything we need then.
All right.
All right.
Yeah, I'll head back.
Yeah, I mean, you're on duty now. You're on overtime now.
Congratulations.
I had, how many minutes do I have left?
Thanks, Sarge.
Maybe like 5 minutes. Unbelievable.
This suspect,
on
Lola,
overtime.
was charged with simple assault on a police officer. She is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
Man, that's the worst, man. When you're about to get off work and then it's like, man, shift just about to end, man. And then you get into some stuff and now you on overtime, man. God, man, I feel for the dog, man. Damn. Yeah, man. And then she talking about, oh, that's going to get played back. Like, I'm sure she going to get a decent amount of time because that slick ass comment that she made, she talking about, oh, what am I going to do? Sit in there for a couple of months? What am I going to do a couple of months? The judge ain't going to like that, boy.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.